Hi there, and welcome back for this week's content. We're going to be talking about confusion matrices this week as part of the evaluation process. From this current slide that I'm showing that's in your PowerPoint, you'll see this anytime you run a classification algorithm or a decision tree algorithm, you're going to see this as part of the results. It's actually a really important piece of evaluating how well this particular algorithm has performed in terms of the training and testing data. As you've learned in earlier weeks, we divide our data into at least training and testing, and sometimes training, testing, and validation. Sometimes it's three, depending on the algorithm. But it's important that this confusion matrix, that you understand what it means, and then also how to calculate the accuracy and error rate from it. So looking here at this particular confusion matrix, you'll see on the top, it has predicted class. And then down here, it has actual class. So it's comparing in that testing or validation data, depending on which data set it's using, how well it performed according to the actual answer in the original data set. So for this case, what you're seeing here diagonally, the 201 and 2689, those are the correct classifications. So the actual class was 1. The predicted class is 1. There's 201 instances of that. Those were correctly classified. Again, under 0, the actual class being 0, the predicted class being 0, there was 2,689. So these two numbers here are representing the correct classification. The other two are the incorrect classifications. So in this case, the actual class was 1, but 85 instances were predicted as 0. And then under here, the actual class was 0, but it was predicted as 1 under 25. The way that I'm going to show this to you in my next videos, I'm going to actually calculate out how to get both the error rate and the classification rate for this particular problem. So stay tuned and get your paper out for the next video so that you can follow along with me. Thank you.